Hey again. Come on, Suri. Come on. Girl. Suri's pretty excited to be here. The Power Bluffs, Wood County Park. I think it's mainly used by people who like to bike. Do that. Oh, it's very windy here. But, yeah, I think a lot of people walk their dogs here too. I walked her constantly here, when I was living over at the farm. But they were just in the process of developing this. They didn't have these roads designed or anything then. It was just dirt paths to follow. Now there's these huge rock-laden, gravel-laden roads. Come on, Suri.